Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today topic is the great leader of India, the Mahatma Gandhi. So let's start. Mahatma Gandhi was one of India's greatest leaders, born on October 2, 1869 in Bobandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but people often call him the father of the nation in India. Known affectionately as Babu, which means father in Gujarati, Gandhi devoted his life to principles of trust and non-violence. He believed that fighting without violence could be more powerful than aggression. After studying law in England, he worked as a lawyer in South Africa, where he witnessed racial discrimination and the unfair treatment of Indians and Africans. This experience sparked his first fight against injustice using peaceful protest and civil disobedience, which means refusing to follow unfair laws. After spending 20 years in South Africa, Gandhi returned to India, which was then under British rule. Indians were forced to follow British laws and pay high taxes, and many sought freedom for British control. Gandhi quickly became a leader in the freedom movement, urging people to embrace non-violence and unity. In 1920, he launched the non-cooperation movement, encouraging Indians to stop buying British goods and to use locally made products. He himself wore simple clothes made for khadi or hand-spun cloth, which became a powerful symbol of Indian pride and self-reliance. In 1930, Gandhi led the famous Salt March to protest unfair salt taxes. He walked 240 miles to the sea to make salt himself, inspiring thousands of people to join him. This act of civil disobedience demonstrated the power of peaceful protest against unjust laws. Though the British arrested him many times, his peaceful resistance won respect worldwide, inspiring future leaders like Martin Luther King Jr., who admired his teachings on love and non-violence. Gandhi dreamed of a united and free India where all religions could live together harmlessly. In 1942, he started the Quit India movement, calling for an end to British rule. Finally, India gained independence in 1947, fulfilling his lifelong dream, though he felt sorrow over the partition between India and Pakistan. Tragically, Gandhi was assassinated on January 30, 1948 by someone who opposed his views. His death was mourned around the world, yet his life and teachings continue to inspire people. Gandhi proved that one person could create significant change through truth, kindness, and courage. His birthday, October 2, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India and as the International Day of Non-Violence worldwide. Gandhi's legacy as a hero of peace and freedom remains timeless, teaching as valuable lessons about harmony and resilience.